Okay, so I want to ask a personal question because I want to feel more powerful, and I just realized that I'm lacking this feeling of feeling powerful in the last days. And I was able to, once I understood that I was lacking that feeling, look back at my life and see how I was trying to gain the feeling of power from outside myself over and over.
Can you make an association between what you are describing as power and what we have just been talking about as momentum?
So, yes.
You feel that you're lacking power or lacking momentum. Can you feel that it's about thinking about things that are in contradiction to each other, so you don't allow the momentum to really get going? I want it but, or I think this but. We'll let you continue.
It's funny, my back hurts right now. I haven't had back pain before. Yeah, so I'm trying to release something. I've got the beast inside.
Aren't you all... Exactly. Aren't you all eager to get into this chair? It's been called the hot seat for years. Now we're calling it the infliction of pain seat. It's the amplification of what you've got going on seat.